It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2019 GMC Canyon SLT. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Canyon. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock buttons, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel is the integrated trailer brake controller, some lighting controls and dials, two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with a black leather interior. Next, I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel button. To the right, we have the audio controls and Bluetooth command. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using those arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead are some lighting controls and a place to store your sunglasses. OnStar in the rear view mirror. This is GMC's Infotainment Center equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. We have our shortcut buttons down below. It's equipped with navigation, and this screen doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. And to the right there, we have hitch guidance. The hard buttons for our radio and media options are just below the infotainment screen. Climate control buttons with air conditioning, trailer mode, traction control, hazard lights, box lighting, lane departure alert, and park assist, heated front seats, some USB ports and power plug-in, dual cup holders, and this here is the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Canyon, there are black tow hooks, fog lights, signature C-shaped headlamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, a 3.6-liter V6 engine under the hood, rear tinted windows, keyless entry using the key fob. As we make our way to the back, the rear window slider, and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate, so we're able to drop that tailgate down with ease. The box of the truck has cargo hooks. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. The back of our front passenger seat has a leather seat pocket. The back of the center console has dual USB plug-ins and a storage compartment. All-weather floor mats on the floor. This middle seat here folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. And we're able to raise these rear seats up by pulling that seat release on the side of the seat to reveal a storage compartment. So come take a look at the 2019 GMC Canyon SLT, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.